Transmission fluid lubricates the gears in your vehicle's transmission and acts as a coolant by reducing friction between moving metal parts. Checking it often is key for optimum engine performance, and it's a fairly simple process. All you need is a few minutes, disposable gloves, and a light-colored lint-free rag. First, make sure your garage is properly ventilated, or ideally just move the vehicle outdoors. Then, with the car in park and engine running, pop the hood. Locate the dipstick. Next, wearing disposable gloves, remove the dipstick and wipe it clean with a cloth. Transmission fluid stains easily, so avoid drips and protect your workspace. To get a good reading on your transmission fluid, reinsert the clean dipstick, then remove it again to inspect it first for color and consistency. The fluid should look clean and be clear or pink in color. Your transmission fluid should also fall within the hash marks at the end of the dipstick. Check your owner's manual to make sure you have the correct type of fluid on hand. If necessary, add a small amount into the reservoir, then recheck with a clean dipstick to make sure it's at an adequate level. Be sure to check your transmission fluid monthly to keep your vehicle shifting smoothly and running great. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.